Ever feel like you're locked out of your own computer, unable to tweak those critical settings that hide behind the scenes? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to accessing the Grub menu on Ubuntu, your hidden gateway to advanced boot options and system recovery. First, before we boot up, the key is timing. This means restarting your computer, and during the boot sequence, we need to interrupt the normal boot process. Typically, after you start your computer, the Grub menu is displayed for a very short time. What does that mean? It means you have little time to stop the boot sequence. So here's how we do it. Restart your computer. Keep a finger ready on the S key or the Shift key. Either one should do the trick. As soon as you see the manufacturer's logo on startup, start tapping the key repeatedly until the Grub menu appears. For most systems, either ESC or Shift will work, but older systems may use another key. Success! You should now see the Grub menu. This is where you can do a lot of things. Typically, you will see several boot options, from selecting your kernel to accessing recovery mode, which can be extremely helpful if your system is having issues. Recovery mode allows you to perform tasks like running file system checks, fixing broken packages, and even getting a root shell for advanced troubleshooting and access to critical OS features. Now, you know how to access the Grub menu and you're equipped to control your Ubuntu boot process. Remember to experiment now with your system. Just be sure to back up everything first.